Hello. We're back again today talking about your business model. I know a lot of people haven't even thought about their business model because they don't understand it, but it is so simple. Your business model is simply the way you are going to make money doing what you do. You know, a few years ago, there was a book that came out, and it was called Do What You Love, the Money Will Follow. And that's true to a certain extent. But one of the things we have to do is figure out how we're going to make a profit doing what we do. So if you're going to bake cupcakes, you'll have to think of all the ingredients that go in, how much they cost, how much the lease on your building is, how much your kitchen equipment costs, and how much are your delivery costs for those cupcakes. Because you can't just pull a number out of the air and say, I think I'll sell them for $15 a dozen, because you don't know how much it's costing you to really make those cupcakes. You know, General Motors makes cars and they make a lot of money. But one of the things that people don't realize is that 60% of the General Motors profit comes from financing those automobiles, not the manufacturer of them, the financing of the automobiles. So their business model is quite different than what the ordinary person thinks their business model really is. So that just goes to show you that you could even find other profit centers within your business when you expand your business model to think about it a little more clearly. I have a friend who is very interested in the music business, and she's young and she's energetic and she's very bright. And so she said, I'm going to make my living in the music business. I'm going to promote musicians. I'm going to book live venues. I'm going to produce recording sessions, and I'm going to make music my business. She teamed up with a musician, and together they're going to start a production company. I said I was very excited for her. And I said, well, what is your business model? She said, I don't know. We haven't thought about that. I said, you've got to find a way that you're going to make money doing this, not just having fun, but you're going to make money doing it. Are you going to charge the musicians a commission on representing them? Are you going to charge them a flat fee? How are you going to make money? You need to think that through before you get started in this business. And I said, also, if you're teaming up with another person, do you have a written agreement so that you know exactly what you expect of her, what she expects of you? She said, we haven't done that because we're friends. And I said, you know, one of the things you'll have to do is to have a written agreement so that you will preserve that friendship and you will preserve that trust with each other. You can have a partnership with a friend that's very profitable and a lot of fun to do, but you will have to think through your business model and have written agreements. So, to sum up, your business model is very important before you get started in your business. Handshakes and hugs are okay for friendships, but not for business. So, you will have a better chance of being profitable and having a very successful business when you've thought through your business model very carefully. I'll see you next time.